to 25 and 7, means 25 network bits and 7 host bits. The subnet mask, as we calculated, 255, 255, 255 and 128, that will be the subnet mask. The next thing, if you try to figure out how many valid addresses, again to the power of h minus 2, so the total addresses are 128. In that, I cannot use two addresses for the network ID and the broadcast ID, so the valid host will be 126. And if you try to figure out in C class, if I divide 128 size network, then how many subnets we get? So 2 to the power of 1, that is 2. So I get only 2 subnets. 128 plus 128, it is 256. Now finally, writing the range. Now the range is written based on the 2 to the power of h value. So the h value is 7. That is your host bits. We are using 7 host bits. Means 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So the range will be multiples of 128. So 0. And the next range will start on 128. Means this range ends on 127 and 255. So the range will be 0 to, now in this requirement, if you take this requirement, 0 to 127 is one network and 128 to 255 is one network, whereas this is my network ID and this is my broadcast ID. Likewise, this is my network ID, this is my broadcast ID for the second network. So I'll be getting 2 subnets and the subnet mask will be this. So if I use this subnet mask, then this will be the one network, this will be the second network. So we get only 2 subnets in one C class.